Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moli and welcome to another exciting video. And today I will be speaking about my latest hair care routine. As you can see, my hair is looking much more like gentle, like smooth, and it's just in the place. Otherwise, it just, my hair is always like very dry and flaky and I don't like that at all. But as you can see, my hair is looking much prettier than the usual day. I will tell you why, because I have changed my hair care routine and recently I have started using this Sesha Ayurvedic Strong Roots hair oil and this straightening hair shampoo. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you about this oil. I am in love with this oil. I don't use an oil in a regular purpose, but this oil is so good, you guys, and the ingredient list is all filled with Ayurvedic. It has 26 Ayurveda products such as banyan tree extracts, hibiscus and what not. And the ingredient list of this product is totally visible, guys. They are not hiding any ingredient from this particular packaging, which I really like, and this packaging filled with lots and lots of information. And the best part of this product that it is totally made in India, which is big thumbs up from my side. When it comes to Ayurvedic, Sesha produces some amazing Ayurvedic products and they are totally made in India, so you will get lots and lots of Ayurvedic benefits from this oil. And it is really inexpensive, guys. It retails for 180 rupees for 100 ml, which is pretty inexpensive. You are getting all that Ayurvedic goodness under 200 rupees. It doesn't feel sticky, whenever I apply an oil, I just feel like it feels so sticky on the scalp and it just feels so heavy, but with this I feel so lightweight. It is a very lightweight formula oil and it doesn't feel sticky on the hair, which I really like about this product. And this packaging also comes with this comb applicator. As you can see, all you have to do whenever you are applying it, just open it and just apply this like that. And there is also holes are available, so you don't have to additionally hole it with any type of safety pin or anything like that. I do it, that's why I'm telling you. I know you also do it, right? So it's a very friendly packaging. You don't have to do any additional thing. You just have to change the applicator and you just have to apply this comb applicator and you just have to place it like that and you just have to apply it. Now this comb applicator really helps to reach up to the roots, like from the root to strand to tail, wherever you want to reach, you can just reach with the help of this comb applicator. With the help of the finger, definitely you can get to the roots, but not properly. It has very fine combs which helps to get through the roots, like every single part of your scalp you can reach with the help of this comb applicator. Now after applying the oil on the next day, what I need? A shampoo, definitely. So I go on with this Sesha Ayurvedic Strong Roots shampoo plus conditioner. This is a straightening shampoo. Now for my dry hair type, all I need is a sulfate free shampoo, and this is a paraben free sulfate free shampoo. And also again, it has a very clean ingredient list filled with all the Ayurvedic products, and it doesn't have any type of chemicals or any type of harmful preservatives like paraben, which is amazing. Now, do you know what I like about this product? It has a very nice soothing fragrance, which I feel very refreshing after applying this, and it doesn't have any type of nauseating fragrance, although it has used 26 Ayurvedic products, banana tree extracts and hibiscus and so on, but still it has a very nice soothing fragrance which soothes your nostrils, of course. And I know fragrance is pretty subjective, but trust me on that, the fragrance is really good in this product range. And additionally, you don't have to use any type of conditioner, so you don't end up spending all that additional money for the conditioner and mask. It has all the goodness in one bottle. Again, as you can see, the packaging is really similar to the oil and it is a very basic packaging, and it retails for 188 rupees for 200 ml, which is supremely affordable. Just tell me honestly, will you get all that Ayurvedic effect in such a price range? I don't think you will get. Okay, you are getting this from Sesha, so definitely give this one a try. So now let's move on to the application of the product, shall we? Where I will be showing you how to apply this product, and after that I will be showing you what type of benefit I have seen after applying this product on my hair.
Night time, I'm gonna use this Sesha Ayurvedic oil. Firstly, I'm gonna change the cap of this product and I'm gonna apply the comb applicator. I'm gonna section my hair into two parts and I'm gonna apply it from the scalp. Sesha uses a 5000-year-old Ayurvedic Shirpak Vidhi to make their products, which is why they are so effective. They help to strengthen hair, control hair fall, and support hair growth as well. So as you can see, I'm applying it again by sectioning my hair on the other side. I'm just gently massaging it for 10 minutes and it's so effective. So just massage your oils, okay? Just don't apply it and leave it. Just massage your oils for at least 10 minutes for the extra benefit, and after that I'm leaving the oil for overnight. Now the company boils 26 medicinal herbs like bhringraj, banana tree extracts, hibiscus and 6 oils like coconut, sesame, lemon in pure cow's milk for 22 hours, and that's what makes it so effective, okay? It contains no mineral oil, no parabens, no sulfates, and it strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair fall and thinning, and also supports hair growth and repairs hair damage, prevents premature graying additionally. On the next morning, I'm gonna follow up with the Sesha Ayurvedic shampoo. Now this is India's first Ayurvedic sulfate and paraben free shampoo plus conditioner. It contains 26 medicinal herbs, okay? And its sulfate free formula cleanses hair gently, and as you can see, it creates the right amount of foam, which I really like. And additionally, it is also suitable for chemically treated or colored hair. It will keep your color as it is. So definitely if you have colored hair, you can go for this shampoo. The shampoo conditions hair very naturally and prevents hair fall and breakage and repairs hair damage also. It's a very gentle and mild shampoo, and after applying it, it straightens my hair very naturally, which I felt after applying this product. So as you can see, this is the final result, and my hair is looking very lively and very manageable as well.
So now, as you have seen, my hair was looking bomb after applying the hair oil and the shampoo and whatnot. I am in love with this range from Sesha Ayurvedic, to be very honest. And additionally, I have seen that after applying this product, I feel lots of smoothness on my hair, and it really helps to straighten your hair. I don't know if it happens to you or not, but after applying this product, what happens to me, the day that I am applying the shampoo, I just feel like it is a little bit curling and it is a little bit drying as well. But with this shampoo, I didn't feel a lot of dryness on my hair, which is an amazing fact for me. On the day of the application of the shampoo, I just feel like it is a little bit dry and I cannot manage my hair. It becomes so unmanageable. But with this shampoo, hair looks very manageable and it just stays into the place. As you can see, after applying the shampoo, I just dried down my shampoo and I did my makeup and I changed my clothes. I applied a little bit of nail polish, and after that I'm shooting this video. I have a very huge hair fall problem. Like every single time I just pull my hair, there will be a additional hair. As you can see, there is no hair. So it really helps to reduce the hair fall problem. I am almost halfway down with the shampoo, but I don't use a lot of oil, so it's still right there, as you can see, like there. So I have used a lot of these oils and shampoos, and additionally, if you have premature grays on your hair, definitely it is going to prevent that premature graying from your hair, which is an amazing fact. If you have liver problems, of course you will get a premature gray on your hair, so it will help you to prevent that premature graying from your hair. At the end, to summarize the thing, I can say it's a very good, affordable, made in India Ayurvedic hair care product range. Definitely give this one a try, and if you want to purchase it, the link is provided on the description box, and if you want the extra discount, you can use the code SESHA SRS10. Don't worry, I will not get any profit from this code. This is totally for you guys, just for you to use this code, and you can use this code on their website. Also, you will get it in various e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, and wherever you want to purchase it, you can get it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. If your family members are going through such problems like premature graying and hair fall, then definitely suggest them to go through this Sesha Ayurvedic range. And if you are new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until you meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.